the favour and power they've gained in the past to risk any of it now. Worse, they squeeze me out. Alliances form against me. You can see it in their... Yeah.
Nie złamało się.
Taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, that's powerful. All right.
Oh, here we go. Oh, no.
It's the one thing I always like.
We had that last time.
Oh, fuck! God damn it! Fuck!
Yeah, just see what happens.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Who hit us?
It's we're in an accident.
I know.
Okay,
I'm okay.
calm down.
Yeah, it's incredible. He actually walking in his sleep, thanks to his vivid melatonin. That's it. Yeah, I could use more erotic dreams. I was gonna say, I mean, he was saying that it'd be a bad thing to have those dreams. No, it's a great thing. Yeah, no, erotic dreams are. The more erotic dreams, the better.
Oh my Lord, Tito. You good? My bad.
The rad completely exploded and everything in here is just full of dust. I kept digging, got the timing chain cover off, popped off one of these guides.
Okay, Garmin, save video. What the hell? And I have no phone with me.
Bought it? What? I got. You guys bought it? I thought you didn't. I bought it, but then.
Connecting to All-Star Emergency.
Retard!
Myself, particularly the way, everything's just been kind of bungled. My opinion, your opinion.
It's not up to him, and there's no legal basis for any of these things.
What the fuck?
But I love you. And we'll see you at home.
Okay. Oh my god.
16 Bel Air. Multiple outlets report that prosecutors are getting ready to argue today that a shirt worn by Armstrong after his parents' murder holds important DNA evidence that the judge should allow being a part of the trial. The new evidence is being considered nearly